You call for locksmith?
Yes.
All right, got you. All right, good morning. I'm Andy. How you doing?
Good morning.
Good morning. Good. Yeah, your boy hit me up on Facebook, and he's like, "Yo, she like her keys, blah 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 blah." I was like, "Oh damn." So here we go.
So happy that you are close to me.
Yeah.
I'm late to work.
Oh no, I got you right now. Yeah.
I literally normally, and my car is on, and normally
I see that. Yeah.
it does not lock if the keys are in there. So I'm like, yo, how the fuck?
Yeah, it happens, yo. I don't know. It just something. I don't know. These. Oh yeah, your keys. I got you. Yeah, some of these older models, just I don't know. For some reason, it happens. Damn. But I got you though, and yeah, damn. All good. Should be easy. I should give us enough room to pop this thing open for you real quick. Yeah, I got you. I'm just gonna do the door latch thing right here, and that should be enough. There you go. I'm gonna release the air real quick so that way nothing happens to your doors. You know what I mean? Yeah. Nah, you good, bro. I know. I see it right here. You good. But yeah, it should be good. Yo, 954.
954.
Yes, ma'am. 709. 9508. Make sure I don't lock up on you again. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to hold your door open for you.
Shoot.
Yeah, you good. Hey, bet, yo. Yo, have a beautiful day. Yeah, no problem. You good. Have a good day, all right? Thanks.